How to fix Safari is not loading websites on your iPhone. So if you're unable to load a specific web page or websites are just not working in general, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now the first step is you'll need to go and load up settings on your phone. You could then toggle on airplane mode, wait around 10 seconds and turn airplane mode off. Now scroll down to general. Scroll down to VPN and device management, and you need to make sure that you're not connected to any VPNs. So as you can see here, it should say not connected like this, and then come back over to the main settings page. Now click on your profile name, click on iCloud, scroll down to iCloud features and click on private relay. Now if you have private relay turned on, you can try temporarily disabling this feature. So I'm just going to press turn off until tomorrow. And once again, you can check to see if your websites are now working. If it's still not loading, then go and open back up your settings, scroll down to general and scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on reset and press reset network settings. Now you'll need to enter your iPhone passcode to go and confirm these changes. Once you've done this, head back over to your settings, scroll down to screen time, and then scroll down to content and privacy restrictions. Now make sure the content and privacy restrictions are turned off and disabled. And then there's just one more thing we need to do. So come back over to the main settings page, scroll all the way down to apps, and then scroll all the way down until you see Safari and click on this. Now scroll down to clear history and website data and click on this. Make sure all history is selected and then go and press clear history. Now once you've done this, you can try opening the website and that should have fixed the issue where web pages are not loading.